This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out since it is being partially ice dyed. So, since it is inside out, this is reversed. So I want it coming left to right, so we'll go ahead and do right to left. Probably not going to be that radical when I'm doing it. And I wanted a second one coming off probably here. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and do all the way up. And for this, it doesn't matter. It's like the beach or ocean one that I do, where it doesn't matter if you do large and small accordions. I mean, you can have huge and little and doubled up and all that. It's completely fine. For this, consistency does not help. So when you get to this, you can just like twist that in if you want. Whatever you want to do to make this work. Alright, got that there. Let's see where this is going. Just see if I'll be able to pull that off or not. And we'll go ahead and tie this up with some sinew. Now since the center is going to be, or the goal is for it to be pretty close to white, then it does need to be tied pretty tight. Let's see if I can pull this into it. If I do this, it's going to be pulled in to here, and then I'll just tie all the way down. Not sure if that's completely doable. See if I can pull it back up. Alright, let's pull that in there. Ooh, that went too far over. May not be able to do this. So I'm trying to come in more at an angle to this. I don't want it branching all the way at the top. I don't know, maybe I do. If it doesn't catch the right spot this time, I might just leave it and we'll go with it and see what happens. I'm going to pull that up and see if I can't get that to catch. Alrighty. We'll see how that turns out. You probably already know how it turns out due to the picture for the video. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Alright, I'm going to scrunch this up. Not too much. I'm making sure I'm keeping the sides on the sides. If I curl in, it won't work as well. Okay, now as long as I keep this part and somewhere in here relatively straight, we should be okay. So I'll just scrunch the rest of this up. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mark this in case I don't get to it immediately. Ignore these two lines. Alright, off to dye. Alright, I'm doing it on this table again. We'll see how this turns out. Alright, so I've made up turquoise as a liquid. Everything else will be iced. And I probably need... Now, I'm going to let it drip through. I'll make a form before I get started with the colors, or with the dyes. So I've got royal blue, robin's egg, cerulean, strong navy, and cobalt blue. So the turquoise is going where this purple is. Alright, lift this up. Let me put a form real quick, and then we'll do the ice dye. I'm going to go ahead and put the dye down first, and then do the ice, simply because it's going to be easier to dodge the areas where I don't need to put stuff. And these are going on randomly. And we'll let this sit, melt through, and take a look when it's finished. Alright, let's go ahead and rinse this one out. Alright, so here's first glimpse. I'll go through this in the wash, and then we'll take a final look. Here we have the front, and the back. Alright, I really thought during the washout, or before the washout, after I pulled it, that I wasn't going to have any white. But it actually came out pretty good. I mean, this definitely, let's see, is that in the camera? Yeah. This definitely looks good. I like it. And I'm not sure what this little thing is. We'll call that a cloud-to-cloud strike that then also went to the ground. Or you're looking up and it's all cloud-to-cloud. Whatever works. The colors, I would have preferred that it was darker. And I know I did some that, we'll call it baby blue. I know that's not the color. So that's this little bit in here and this little bit in here. And it kind of works. Yeah, I probably should have gone darker just to make it a more Doom-like situation with the lightning in the sky. What are your thoughts on that? I think it turned out, as far as the strike goes, pretty good. Again, the colors I would probably change. Do you have opinions on those? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.